Howdy folks, this is Levi Kuhn at Kuhn Truck RV. I am the voice that you don't often hear so often here on the YouTube channel. I am the other brother that kind of oversees the back end operations here at Kuhn Truck RV. I wanted to bring you up to speed on some things that we have changed here. I'll probably be doing a series of a few videos here kind of detailing our process and things like that. We've recently this year added a full-time body guy that works solely for us all the time. This one here is a Dodge. It's a Pleasureway. It's on the Dodge chassis, but it had the typical Dodge sun fading and chipping around the edges and stuff like that. And this was all just kind of peeled and flaked here just from the sun. So we decided to do an entire color change on this unit. We've got this nice black metallic. The top you can see has been painted and done already. The body will be the same black metallic, so we kind of do this in stages. And then on this one, the bottom fairings, bottom skirting, whatever you want to call it, we're going to do a nice silver on the bottom, so we've got a two-tone. We kind of wanted to poll you guys to see what you thought. If you thought we should just leave it at that, or if we should try to incorporate some stripes into this RV, or just kind of leave it plain and simple with just a black and two-tone silver, black and silver two-tone. So drop a comment below if you think we should add some stripes. And if you think we should add some stripes, what color should we use? Should we bring the silver from the bottom up into the stripes, or should we accent with an entirely different color to kind of make it pop? So again, just something new that we're doing here at Kuhn Truck RV. Got a full-time body guy here, and to just kind of help streamline things, tackle these projects like this that we get in that need, quite a few of them just need some touch up here and there from some sun fading or some chips, things like that. But this one just happened to be pretty faded. So we thought it would be an opportunity to just do an entire color change and see kind of how that is perceived by you guys, our customers. If you got any questions, drop a comment below or give us a call at 440-OHIO RVs.
Capability to match any color.
Interesting.
Yeah, if you guys didn't buy this, I was gonna buy it. There's no way they're doing this.
Do you want to be in the video?
No, really.
What?
You want this in your video? Yeah. No way.